Alright, so now we've cut, before I even had a chance to tell you we were going to cut the deck loose. And it wasn't, there's some steel beams put in, but they end up breaking the joints, or having a joint in the middle of nowhere, and the beam didn't carry in where they met. So I probably will end up replacing the 2x8, and after I replace all this rotted, that's actually the Masonite siding, and this is what's left of the 2x6 or the ridge beam. Let's see. Should be a floor joist. There's a floor joist. There's a floor joist. Just better shape than I expected. I've seen them way, way worse than that. But we got to replace that ridge beam for sure. And wrap it all back up. Then put the deck back together. Anyway, that'll be the journey for today. Tomorrow will be yet another. See you guys.